Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this Porsche 911 3.0 Carrera from 1977. This model was produced a while ago by Solido, and I just got it back in stock. This model of course is metallic and features opening doors and functional steering. Let's start in the front. Everything looks pretty good despite the fact that it's an older model. The headlight looks okay. We have a sticker for the badge. Also, this bumper is quite large. I think, and we'll see in the back that is this is an American spec model. Next, we have the wheels, which look pretty good. Also, we have behind them the brake disc and brake calipers. On the side, we also have this Carrera sticker as well. In the back, we have the evidence that this is in fact an American spec model. Also, we have Porsche written in the headlight, in the stoplight. Sorry. Also, we have Carrera 3.0 written on the license plate and also on the engine cover. Underneath the model, we don't have that many details. We have some here in the back with the exhaust and some details at the gearbox and engine. Let's open the doors to see the interior. Let me see if I can. There we go. The interior I think looks pretty decent for a Solido model, especially an older one. I don't like the fact that the badge on the steering wheel is quite big, but other than that I think the clocks look pretty good. Also, we have the 3 pedals, this being a manual gearbox, as you can see in the center console. And also we have the handbrake as well, and the seats look pretty good as well. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about the model? I think it looks pretty good in my opinion. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.